Bolero is not a witness. Joe Bolero is a far better witness than his client was, because as he tells his client's story, it's so much more compelling coming from an advocate of his stature and his integrity. Laura Sutton, before I lose you here, as I'm watching Mr. Bolero, I know that you can put on that prosecutor's hat as you listen to him. What do you think your strong suit would be as a prosecutor?
Well, I think there's something that he said in his summation that I would try to capitalize on in my own if I were a prosecutor in this case, and that is Mr. Bolero describes to the jury a time when Dr. Sharp, and this is exactly where his words, he doesn't want people to think that he's crazy. And so he behaved in such a manner so that people wouldn't think he was crazy, and he got out of the hospital. And that is completely inconsistent with the defense. And if that's the argument that the defense is putting forth, that this is a person who can act in such a way to get people to think he's not crazy, he is a manipulative person who is trying to do the exact same thing to this jury. And I think that that is exactly the issue on this case. He is trying to use his mental status to his defense when it's beneficial.